Runpaq has secured project success with solid technology, proven performance, a responsible attitude, and precise, tailored deployment. As the only company excelling in both HVAC and automation control, Runpaq stood strong even among industry giants, and this unique advantage played a key role in winning the project. Through deeper collaboration, clients quickly recognized Runpaq's dual strengths, advanced automation control systems, and powerful HVAC expertise. While companies like York may have advantages in chillers, they often fall short in refrigeration system integration, especially in automatic control. So,